MobileIntros is a member of the MobileFirst-Personal family of website platforms. It is exclusively dedicated to providing the best possible, ecologically friendly solution to the replacement of paper business cards. With over 30 professionally designed, fully customizable templates, you can build a much more efficient and powerful digital business card that focuses on your unique contact requirements. Even better, you can do this yourself in a matter of minutes, even if you have no technical skills. All the cutting-edge MobileFirst-Personal platforms create optimized websites for optimum display on mobile phones. The friendly user interface offers simultaneous control over the way the sites are displayed on larger devices such as desktops, laptops, and tablets. MobileIntros offers an easy user interface to develop and edit the cards without resort to coding or expensive developers. We bring full personal control to the solopreneur or small business over their website, data, and the digital presence. The PWA module, available with any paid plan, uploads a true PWA mobile application directly to the home screen of a client's phone. Your credentials can also be installed into the contacts section of their phone at the same time. Traditional website development editors are almost exclusively bound to the large monitors used by desktops and laptops. The editor used by the MobileFirst-Personal family is fully adaptive. They permit the webmaster to access and change any part of the application on any device that can access a Chrome browser. Doesn't matter, from full-size desktop monitors all the way to your mobile phone. No other system allows editing on the fly, no matter where you are.